What is DNS? DNS is Domain Name System. What's its function? The Domain Name System is a naming database in which Internet domain names are located and translated into Internet Protocol (IP) addresses. The Domain Name System maps the name people use to locate a website to the IP address that a computer uses to locate that website. So, let's get into the main point of finding, adding, or replacing the DNS. Here we can see a website named Hosting Bangladesh where domain name and hosting service are provided. First log into it. Click on Domain. Then click on My Domain. Now, select your domain and click on Manage Nameservers. Here in these first two rows we have to fill in with the provided nameservers through email by the domain and hosting provider. If you buy the products through them, they will send you an email with your account and website details. Here we can see the server information. Here we need these two nameservers. So, let's copy from here and paste it in nameserver 1. Again, let's copy the below one and paste it in nameserver 2. Then scroll down and click on Save or Save Changes. That's how we can add or replace the nameservers. See you around in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice time.